Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to check in with you guys because it's been so long since I posted a video, and sorry for the noise. I have my fan on, and no, my hair isn't falling out and I didn't cut it. I just have it in a ponytail today because it's just getting longer and I just don't have the energy to do anything with it. For those of you who are new, you probably don't know what's been going on with me, but long story short, right now I'm going through chemo. I'm having a lot of issues. The chemo makes me feel really bad, and it's just hard to do videos. It's hard to have the energy to get up. It's hard to sometimes take a shower, but you know, my small victories come from taking a shower or being able to walk down the stairs and sit on the porch or even try to do anything. So what I have been doing, since I can't like do the videos and just sit up really, because I'm not going to go into it. You can follow my Nika's Life channel. It is linked below. I haven't updated it, but I will be updating it soon. Just kind of giving updates of my process through the chemo, what I've been feeling, what's been going on, all of that. So yeah, the chemo is keeping me from doing the videos that I want to do, and I have a list of some requests that came through that I'm going to try my best to get to. If you follow my Instagram, well, I have a business Instagram also, where I post a lot of stuff that is new on the website. So I've been working on getting some things done for the website. So for you guys, my viewers, you will be the first to see what I've been working on. So I'm just going to show you. So one thing I did add to my roll cart, if you guys watch that video, my 3-tier cart that I got from Michael's, I bought this thing from Target. It was like $7.99 or something like that, but I initially bought it for my papers and for when the kids go back to school and stuff like that, but they won't be going back to school initially for in-class stuff. So I just put my fabric sheets in here, and my glitter rolls and patterns and stuff are in there. But what I have been working on for the website is prepping all of my hair bows that will be going up really soon. So I have, hold on, I'm trying to get it for you guys. I have a stack of these. I'm not going to show you everything, you just get like a gist of it. I have some back to school bows that will be going up. It's some different ones in there as well, so you'll get to see those once I have put them all together and got them up on the website. So I'm gonna link below also my business Instagram, because that's probably where you will see when they go up, when they're new to the website. If you are on the website or if you've been to the website before, you'll see updates when they come. But I have some other ones. There'll be some Halloween, Thanksgiving ones in there, and then I have some more Halloween ones that I'll be putting up probably next month. But the back to school ones will be going up probably I don't want to make any promises, because because from day to day, from basically hour to hour, minute to minute, I really don't know how I'm gonna feel. But I want to try to get at least the back to school ones up, back to school and fall ones up on the website no later than Sunday. Let's just give a wide range. It's Wednesday right now, so I kind of don't want to wait too much longer to get those up. And what I decided to do, which probably you guys are gonna hate me for, but I decided to do limited amounts of bows and kind of like one-of-a-kind bows that I want to do for certain things. However, if I see it's a high demand for a specific bow, I will do more of them, get more product and do more of them. But yeah, so sorry guys, but that's how I'll be doing things. I also want to start making tutu sets and stuff like that for the holidays. So we'll see how it goes. Like I said, the chemo really is putting a dent into everything that I want to do. So yeah, so that's why I haven't got any tutorials or anything up in the last 2 weeks. I have several requests. If you're watching and you've requested something, I got the pajama pants. Somebody wants to see me do that with pockets. I actually want to show you how to use the knit stitch on my sewing machine. Also, I got asked by a male viewer to do one of the filter masks that I made, the pleated filter mask that I made. He wants to see that with ties for men, was his request. And I also wanted to show you some tutorials on the silhouette. So once I'm feeling better, those will be coming. I just wanted to get on and apologize to you guys because some of you look forward to my videos every week. I had to go down to 1 video a week when chemo, well, when everything started in May with the cancer and the chemo and everything. I went down to 1 video a week, and now it seems that I'm doing a video every other week. I do go to chemo next week, so if I'm able to get any videos up this week, I will do more than 1, just because I know on my chemo weeks, there's just nothing. This week, I've been just like in a huge amount of pain and discomfort. My body feels horrible. Today, I feel like 60% myself. So that's why I'm doing this video, because earlier this week and last week I was at like 15% and there was just nothing that I could do. So yeah, that's what I've been working on. That's what's going on. I do have some two different hair bow patterns to sell that I will be working on this week also. So when I create those and get them ready for distribution, I guess, or get them up on the website, I will do videos on the pattern, the hair bow patterns that I make. So those are the things that I'm working on. Those are the things that you can look forward to. I love you guys. I wanted to check in with you to let you know, no, I haven't stopped making videos. I'm just going through a lot. This chemo is really really taking a toll on me. So yeah, that's it for today. Like I said, if I'm feeling better, I will try my best to at least get those patterns done this week so I can post those. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with me during this time. I still have 4 more months. Granted, everything goes well, I have 4 more months of chemo to do, and hopefully I will be feeling a lot better once it's over. Hopefully I can get half of a life back once it's over. And yeah, so if you want updates of what's going on and how I'm feeling and like more detail of what I'm going through with the chemo and stuff, follow me on Nika's Life, which is linked below in the description. And by the way, this has been my saving grace. I need a bigger one, and I talk about this all the time. I don't know, every freaking YouTuber has the coldest water bottle and you know they're advertising it, but you guys know me. If I don't believe in something, I'm not going to advertise it. And this thing I believe in. Like I said before, I haven't used it for anything hot, but I use it for my water. I fill this thing up like maybe 3 times a day. This is the 21 ounce. So I need a bigger one. I want to get a bigger one. And the link to this will be down below, and there's a giveaway for it if you want to enter the giveaway. But this is totally worth it. I never thought that I would spend the amount of money that I spent on this water bottle. I think this one, because I got the spout with it, was $27. I can't remember, but I think it was like $27 for this one. But it's totally worth it. I never have to buy another water bottle again because this one actually freaking works. It stays cold when I put my ice water in here. It stays cold. I have it by my bed. I don't have to worry about going downstairs, getting more ice water, you know, it's right there. So I do need the bigger one. I think I'm gonna get the 32-ounce one because I think that'll be better, especially like when I can't get anybody to get the water for me. But anyway, enough of that. So if you want the coldest water bottle, links in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you. Especially now that I can't do the videos like I normally do, and you're still here, you're still watching, and I really, really do appreciate it. You have no idea. This is a tough time, and yeah, you guys are amazing, and I really, really appreciate it, which is why I try my best to do videos for you guys, because I really do appreciate you. And for those of you who said, oh, she's only doing it for the money, I make crap from ads from YouTube, okay? So let's just put it out there. I'm not one of these young people that do makeup and all this other stuff, and you know, I'm done having kids, so I don't have that. But I do the videos because I truly enjoy creating, and I love sharing what I create. So thank you for sticking with me. You are amazing. And I hope you're having a better day, week, month, year than I've had. But I'm blessed to be here, and there's always going to be better days. So thank you. But anyway, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give me a like on this video. Also, like I said before, the links to my Nika's Life, my shop, and my business Instagram is linked below. I think my personal Instagram is linked below too, so you can check that out in the description. If you have any questions, or if there's anything that you want to request, I will be taking requests. Just know it may be a little bit before I get to it, but I will get to it. So thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.